Thank you, Mr. Song, and good morning, everyone. So I'm Khalil Rouhana. I'm Director for Components and Systems in DG Connect and the European Commission. We deal with basic technologies for digital products and services, from micro-nanoelectronics to robotics, photonics, automation tools, digital automation tools, etc. And it's a real pleasure for me to be here with you today and to chair this session. We have very distinguished speakers. Our morning session will be about robotics. I don't think for a knowledgeable audience like you about manufacturing, I don't think I would need to explain how important are robotics for manufacturing systems. Almost a month ago, at the Automatica Fair, my commissioner, Vice President Cruz, announced a public-private partnership in this field, and an initiative to further develop the technology, but mainly to make sure that robotics is widely used across the economy in all our sectors, in all our industrial sectors. The partnership included a total investment around 2.8 billion euros, 700 million from the EU and 2.1 billion from industry. And the press reported it will be one of the largest, if not the largest, civilian programs on robotics in the world. We're proud of that. And the objective is, as I said, to make sure that all sectors of the economy benefit from this, and with a big emphasis on mainstreaming the use of robots in small businesses, and use that to be able to expand the value, what we call the value from manufacturing in Europe. I prefer that word to reindustrialization or reshoring of manufacturing. It's about creating value across the economy and using robotics for that. Our session this morning will be focused on that aspect, mainstreaming the use of robotics by small businesses. We think it's an important, at the EU level, we have several initiatives in this regard, but I think our distinguished speakers will take us about the industry view on this. What are the things that prepared by industry to serve the needs of small businesses, and how they see the future in that respect. Of course, we talk small businesses, but small businesses are part of value chains with large companies, smaller companies, and I think that the discussions that we'll have today will also spread across the whole value chain, small businesses also in their connection with larger businesses. So, for those of you who are interested in robotics, you know where to come to invest in robotics, and I hope that for our international partners, this will make us also credible partners for collaboration that we're open to across the world. So for our speakers, we will start with Enrico Krog-Everson, who is the CEO of Universal Robots. For those of you who have not heard about Universal Robots, it's a successful Danish company that is tailored solutions also mainly for small businesses as well, but I'm sure Enrico will tell us more about it. He will tell us about the collaborative robots, and I think he'll focus mainly also on what needs to be done in terms of standardization to make that collaboration work, collaborative robots. He will be followed by Bernd Liepert. Bernd is the CTO of KUKA AG, and I hope you know KUKA, from automation and robots, world leader in this area. And Bernd will tell us about how KUKA sees the SMEs market, the solutions for SMEs from the robotics side. Bernd is the chair also of this partnership that we set up a month ago, or launched officially a month ago. So he'll tell us about that. And our last speaker, and certainly not least, is Riccardo Tarantini. He is the CEO of Comau, Italy, and Riccardo will tell us also how Comau sees the use of robotics and automation in SMEs. I think it will be an interesting view of how a big automation company and active in robotics sees that happening. These are our speakers, so we'll address the robotics and SMEs angle from different perspectives and from the solutions that industry is preparing for that, including from new companies like Universal Robotics.